Dear viewers, are you looking to upgrade your living room with a modern touch? Look no further than these 100 modern TV unit design ideas. First of all, floating shelves create a sleek and minimalistic look perfect for a contemporary space. On the second number, a built-in entertainment center offers plenty of storage space while keeping your TV area organized and clutter-free. Opt for a wall-mounted TV unit with LED lights for a futuristic and stylish vibe. Incorporate a mix of materials like wood, glass, and metals for a unique and eclectic design. Go for a TV unit with hidden storage compartments to keep your living room looking neat and tidy. Choose a TV unit with geometric shapes and patterns for a modern and artistic focal point. Consider a rotating TV unit that allows you to adjust the viewing angle for ultimate comfort. Install a TV unit with built-in speakers for seamless and immersive entertainment experience. Experiment with different colors and finishes to add a pop of personality to your living room. Don't be afraid to mix and match different design elements to create a one-of-a-kind TV unit that reflects your style. The hall or living room serves as the focal point of your home. Make this space bright and inviting for your visitors. Or perhaps you prefer something cozier and more comfortable. Let's us take a look at the various options for your main hall modern TV cabinet design. Wood is the only material that is both timeless and elegant. It looks great against neutral walls and is thus a popular choice among many Pakistanis for wooden TV unit for hall. It can bring even the most drab living space to life. Look at how this wooden lamination contrasts with the neutral toned walls. The sleek wooden floor cabinet supports the TV, while the white modern TV cabinet and grey-toned accessories add to the overall look of this living room. A well-crafted TV unit is an elegant piece of furniture on its own. A focal point of the living room furniture, the TV cabinet enhances the viewing experience. Our multifunctional TV cabinets are good for storage, display, and utilize spaces better. It's important to go for a TV unit design that appeals to your sensibilities, fits a certain space, and offers enough room for your curious and media unit. Browse through our widest range of beautifully designed open and closed TV units to find one that personifies your style, meets your criteria, and adds to your beautiful home. There are many different types and design of TV units from which to pick. Think about the general design and decor theme you have in mind to ensure it complements the aesthetic of your property. while a rustic home can benefit from a wooden unit with natural finishes. A modern home might profit from a sleek and minimalist TV unit. A TV unit that is more elaborate and beautiful may look better in a classic home. You may create a unified and fashionable look in your home by choosing a TV unit that goes well with the aesthetic. The latest TV unit design combine modern and traditional aspects, frequently using raw materials like metal, stone, and wood. Intricate elements like ornate carvings, textured finishes, or mixed material structures are paired with sleek and basic lines. Open shelves, cabinets, and drawers, as well as cable management system and built-in lighting, may all be available as storage choices in the units. Floating and wall-mounted versions are also common, giving off a sleek and contemporary appearance. Overall, the most up-to-date TV unit design provides an elegant and adaptable complement to any living area, fusing style with practicality in a lovely and useful way. A simple TV unit design often has a straightforward framework and emphasizes functionality about ornate looks. The design is typically simple with clean lines and few details. With or without back panels, the unit may have open shelves for media equipment and a place for the TV to stand on top. The design's simplicity makes it simple to assemble, maintain, and incorporate into a range of decor styles. Overall, the simple TV unit design provides a workable answer for setting up media devices and showing the TV without compromising on design or usefulness. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration and renovation ideas. Thank you.